welcome to this beautiful morning.
Still in Candyland?
Yeah.
Two wonderful women have been preparing all morning, and apparently they thought that we were more people staying here because they have made food for 8 people.
I was not expecting nothing like this.
Me neither. So, in the villa that we are staying, you can have so many customized packages for your stay. And today we are gonna have our own little customized package where we are gonna have some of the experiences from the top tier package that we have. We are going on a trip on a giant yacht. I can't wait to show you. And then tonight we are having a big party at the house because the downstairs area that we haven't showed you really, that's where the party's at. Cheers in one of our favorite wines. So today's lunch is at Social, Portugal. It's here in Vila Moura, and it is not a place that is easy to be found because normally people they go to the harbor to have their lunch, but here there's a little gym where they care about good quality wine, amazing quality food.
And we have friends here.
Fernando and Celso.
No,
Celso,
Fernando.
Fernando. What's your name? And this guy is the owner of the villa and the boat we're going on later today.
No, not the boat, but
Just pretend. So today you can already feel that, you know, friends are getting together, sun is shining. Food is unbelievable, actually.
The food here is insane because the wife of the wife who is in the kitchen, she has Chinese blood, so she makes Chinese food. He is Portuguese with the Portuguese influence, so it's a bit of a fusion. These experiences are something that you appreciate because it doesn't happen very often.
Yeah.
You know, and that's one of the great things that you two have given us. The opportunity of having days like this.
I just said to Amalie, like, of all the experiences we've had with Sagres Vacations, this trip here to Algarve, it's one of my favorites. I think we've done so many unique things.
We have had a lot of action-packed stuff, you know, like the buggy ride, the boat, this boat. A lot of fun stuff has been on here.
But obviously it's all, you know, as the Portuguese would say, it's different, you know? Because you
For
don't...
me, I have enjoyed this trip, but I don't think you can compare all the trips we've been doing because they're so different, all of them.
They're different. Joel,
Yes?
do you need ketchup for your sausage party?
Share all the firemen with me.
Some of you guys remember Mario from Supertassa.
I'm a big fan of your vlog for a long time. I hope you continue. You are a really happy couple. Enjoy and continue.
Are you stalking us?
I am. I follow where we are going, and then
Look at this sausage party here. Where are the girls? We have one girl there. One girl.
Lonely, okay? I feel so lonely.
This is like double cheeseburger. No onions. Are we going back to the villa now?
No.
Sushi, not villa. Sushi.
We're not going back to the villa?
That's after dinner.
We have a life.
What about the strippers?
They will come along.
Amalia? At
We
this
were
point,
supposed to make a professional video. Now we all drunk.
I lost the thread. That's what she said. We are sitting here by a stretch of water that I actually didn't know. It's to the left of Vila Moura. Joel, he's so infatuated with all the food and drinks that he's like, he forgot he had a job.
A job?
You live here.
I do.
Can you tell me, how do you live in Algarve without being a full-time alcoholic?
we have a different definition for alcoholic here.
It's not alcoholism if you're with friends, right?
Yeah, if you're out enjoying yourself and having a drink, there's no limit.
What is this video? What is this video about? Well, this video is about what Algarve is about. It's about letting loose. It's about losing touch with reality, because that's something we all are aiming for.
I'm in touch with reality. Not like you, Joen. I'm really in touch.
Cheers, guys, to an absolute
Great day.
wonderful day.
Wonderful day.
Can you play Stairways to Heaven?
No, we cannot.
Shave on my arm?
No. Beautiful. Keep trying, keep trying.
Oh! Yeah. Oi!
Listen, but we can play every crazy thing.
Give me a little time to promise
No one can
and
play
a Genesis,
was so good. It was so fun.
I have no more voice.
I think it's safe to say that we're having fun right now, to a point where things are getting out of hand.